Hello, I'm Carolyn Herbert from the Finance News Network, and joining me from iron ore exploration company Carpentaria Exploration is Managing Director Quentin Hill. Quentin, welcome to FNN.
It's a pleasure to be here.
Now, can you start by giving us an introduction to Carpentaria Exploration?
We listed on the ASX in 2007. In 2009 we discovered the Hawsons Iron project south of Broken Hill, and in 2013 the board took a decision to focus on that project. In that time we have developed a fantastic team of unquestionable industry leaders in the fields of magnetite engineering, project financing and iron ore sales marketing, and now this has resulted in over the last 6 months tripling of the share price and gaining real strategic interest, and by that I mean from end users, large steel mills and large international trading companies.
And can you tell us a little bit more, Quentin, about the Hawsons Iron project?
Hawsons Iron project is a standout iron project, and it needs to be to attract the investment for development in the current market. Why it's a standout? It has two sort of unique features about it. The very soft ore gives us very low processing costs and allows us to produce the highest quality steel making raw material you can. This is generating great strategic interest. But that's not all. You also need infrastructure. Now, our project has the grid power running very close to it, and it has water identified, it has a workforce from Broken Hill, but importantly it has the rail that is existing and connects to two ports, Port Pirie and Whyalla. And at Whyalla there's also a pellet plant to upgrade it. So these strategic factors are what's going to drive its development and value for shareholders.
Very good. So Quentin, what are some of your recent achievements?
Over the last 6 months we've demonstrated that how we can produce amongst the world's best iron making raw material and importantly pellet feed. We did that with test work or pilot plant test work at ALS in Perth, and we've sent some concentrate to China where we've received outstanding pelletising results. This has been a game changer for our project. With that fantastic quality, we've attracted the interest of blue chip off-takers. I'm talking about Bahrain Steel for 3 million tonnes of our direct reduction pellet feed, which attracts a significant premium, Mitsubishi for 1 million tonnes, and Gunvor. Now these are all blue chip companies.
So Quentin, Carpentaria is a little different from other iron ore companies, considering you can produce supergrade iron ore. Can you tell us what this is and how is it significant?
Supergrade is 70% iron and has unique fineness which makes fantastic pellets. We've called it Supergrade. There's only about 10 projects in the world that can match its quality. What this means is that it attracts a significant premium and improves the project economics.
So what's your development strategy then, considering magnetite has a bit of a checkered history in Australia?
So end users will decide which projects get developed. It is through their binding offtake contracts that support project finance. We are best placed of all Australian projects to attract that. Our blue chip offtake partners have demonstrated that we have interest from the Middle East all the way across Asia and through to Japan. Ultimately, it's the competition for that offtake that is going to drive investment in and development of this project. It is the product, it is the cost structure, and it is the low development risk of our project that attracts greatest strategic interest and will drive the share price growth for this company and this project.
Quentin Hill, thanks for the introduction to Carpentaria Exploration.
Thanks for having me.